Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you all about the behavioral and social cognitive views of personality. According to the behavioral view of personality, it states that personality is a set of learned responses or habits. That is, a child has learned to receive rewards on displaying certain behavior and learned to avoid punishment by avoiding certain other behavior. With time, he practices to follow certain behavior in order to receive rewards, and that becomes his habit, which in turn shapes his personality. We should understand this concept better with the help of an example. A shy personality could be because of the harsh discipline style shown by parents towards the child. With time, the child learns to avoid punishment by being out of sight of parents and remaining quiet. Later, the child might generalize that avoidance responds to other authority figures and adults as well. Thus, the pattern of shyness then develops. Next, I will talk to you all about the social cognitive views of personality, which is based on the idea that people learn by observing others. I shall explain this further using an example. An intern learns acceptable and non-acceptable behavior at her workplace simply by observing others at her workplace. Observational learning slowly leads us to our second form of social cognitive learning, which is modeling, which states that we tend to model, that is, imitate acceptable behavior. Going back to our previous example, the intern would start modeling others' acceptable behavior after having observed those behavior. The third form of social cognitive view of personality states that an individual's behavior is also governed by internal cognitive processes such as anticipation, judging, memory, etc. For example, an individual does not expect the actual rewards or punishments experienced by the model but anticipates similar outcome when imitating the behavior. That's how modeling impacts an individual's cognition and behavior. Today, we had an understanding about behavioral and social cognitive views of personality. For more such simple and educational videos, do subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon to know every time I upload a new video here for you. Thank you.